I love to get up in the morning and listen to the beginning of a new day in my garden. It starts quietly, a welcomed solitude, uninterrupted for an hour or so. Garden's open invitation is always here. Come, maybe you are tired. Spend some time with me. I live the life of quiet charm, the life of bees and birds, faithfully following sun and time. Come, relax with me. The dew is plenty. The rain came and went, generously refreshing us all. The day is young. The sun is new. The mornings are the times to observe and think. This humble green moss just started growing among our black rock patio, enjoying water and shade. I think I will welcome it. Roots of our mulberry tree are reluctantly welcomed here. Who can stop them? And of course, the beautiful lush green arborvitaes. Soon it will be time to get my garden ready for winter. Our birdhouse will be empty for a while. All is calm, all is good quiet before the sunshine of the day.